Beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, please do well to hit the subscribe button. In this particular tutorial video, we'll be making an African print African map earrings, just as you can see in the thumbnail. And then for this particular tutorial, we'll be making use of a pictorial version of the map, which I have here on my tab. We're making use of this thick material. You can use any thick material you have. We'll be making use of this Ankara fabric, the earring pin, and also a white plain paper. So guys, the first thing you want to do is to place the white paper on the picture. Make sure your phone is bright enough so that you can see the picture from the outer part of the paper. This is to ensure that you sketch it out properly, as you can see that I'm doing in this video. So after sketching it out, guys, you want to go ahead and cut that map out. After cutting it out, you place it on any hard material you prefer to use, and then you trace it out for neat and proper cutting. You go ahead and trace it out in two places that will represent the both ears of the earring. After that, guys, the next thing to do is to cut it out, the both ears. Cut it out carefully, ensure that it is properly done so that you can have a beautiful shape of map, just like I'm doing right there. So guys, you can see it's already looking like an African map, or it's already an African map. The next thing you want to do, guys, is to apply your gum on this particular material. You can make use of any type of gum. It works with any type of gum. So you apply in both parts of the material, and then you do that for the two pieces of material we have. After applying, guys, you make sure if it's a very thick gum, you allow it to get dried a bit, and then the next thing you want to do is to place it on the Ankara material you're using. So after placing it on it, guys, go ahead and cut it out. Go ahead and cut it out. After cutting one part, you place it to the other part and then cut it out carefully. So guys, you go ahead and do the same thing for the other piece. That's for the other earring. Yes, so guys, you can see we're already having our African map earring, African fabric map earring. Next thing you want to do is to apply your pin for your earring. You can make use of any pin of earrings that you don't use anymore. As you can see, I'm making use of this particular pin. So you want to put it in and then take it out from the other part carefully and make sure it's having the space that's going to size your ear. So after doing this, guys, go ahead and do the same thing for the other earring. If you find this video very educative, please do well to like, share and subscribe. Make sure you drop comments on the kind of DIY you love to see. Drop comments if you understand the tutorial. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.